Hello friends, welcome to Sagar Robotics. Nowadays, very critical condition occurs due to coronavirus. It spread all over world and it infect more people. For preventing from this situation, health organization provides some guidelines like use mask, cover all body, sanitize, and most important is social distancing. So I focus on social distancing and try to make something gadget to achieve this kind of things, that is responsible for maintaining safe distance between two people. So without wasting time, let's start making. Firstly, here I take this type of 9-volt PP3 battery connector. I grab it from old battery. I hold this connector into my soldering stand. Then I take this type of red jumper wire. I connect it to the positive terminal of battery connector. After connecting it, I take this type of 3 wires and solder them to the negative terminal of battery clip. After soldering it, I take 5 mm red LED here for indicator. I solder negative terminal of red LED directly to the negative terminal wire of battery clip. After soldering it, I take red jumper wire and connect it to the positive terminal of LED. Then I take small piezo buzzer of that type. I directly connect negative wire of buzzer to the negative wire of battery clip and connect this type of red jumper wire to the positive terminal of piezo buzzer. After connecting it, I take a switch, hold it into my soldering stand, then solder a positive wire of battery clip to the center tap of switch, and then I solder yellow jumper wire to the last terminal of switch. After soldering all circuit in this schematic, I wrap electric tape on all joints to prevent short circuit in the circuit. I wrap tape here and here. Then I take Arduino Nano here, that is based on Atmega 3280P microcontroller. I also take HCSR04 ultrasonic distance sensor here. Then I take 4 jumper wire that are female type for connecting between Arduino to ultrasonic sensor. Firstly, I connect a grey jumper wire to the Arduino ground pin and ultrasonic sensor ground pin. After connecting it, I take a orange jumper wire. I connect it to the 5-volt pin of Arduino and the VCC pin of ultrasonic sensor. Then I take a LO jumper wire and connect it to the D2 pin of the Arduino and echo pin of the ultrasonic sensor. Lastly, I take a white jumper wire and connect it to the D3 pin of the Arduino and trigger pin of the sensor. After connecting all this, I connect the switch remaining wire to the Arduino VIN pin, that is positive wire of battery. Then I connect a green wire, that is negative wire of battery clip to the ground pin of the Arduino. I also connect the buzzer positive wire to the D11 pin of the Arduino. Finally, I connect the positive wire of LED to the connector D10 pin of the Arduino. I connect all circuit in this schematic. But sorry friends, here I make one mistake. That is, I connect the LED directly to the Arduino. Here we require to connect the resistor to the LED. Without resistor, LED fused. So I take a 100 ohm resistor here and connect it to the positive terminal of LED. And connect Arduino D10 pin to the resistor remaining terminal. After done that, everything circuitry is ready. So we come to our programming part. I attach the USB cable to Arduino and my laptop. After connecting cable, I open a Arduino IDE software for programming it. How simply I write the sketch that measure the distance using ultrasonic distance sensor, and I use a if-else condition to take actions on the different distances. Like when someone front of a sensor and distance is less than 1 meter, LED blinks slowly and buzzer also beeps slowly, and when the distance is less than 16 cm, its blinking speed increases and beeps also faster than previous condition, and final condition is less than 30 cm. If indicator blinks very faster and buzzer also beeps faster. Here I upload this code into my Arduino. Before uploading code, we must check the COM port and Arduino type, that is in my case type is Arduino Nano old bootloader. Without selecting this is show errors. After selecting this, I click upload button. Firstly it compiled and then it uploads finally. It shows done uploading. Here our circuit is ready to run, but I fix it in the plastic box for portability. So I take this type of box. Firstly I glued a buzzer here with the help of hot glue. Then I push out LED from this hole and also stick switch with the help of hot glue. I take 9V PP3 battery here and connect it with battery clip. Fix it here. I also wrap the tape on the LED legs to prevent short circuit. Fix Arduino here and ultrasonic sensor in the front panel of the box. Everything I close the box. It looks like cool. I on switch, it's working good. Finally I take this type of rope and fix it here with the help of hot glue. In this way for hang it.
Friends, our gadget is ready to run, so I show you how it works. Firstly, I turn on its switch, then I take a plastic piece in my hand. Consider this plastic piece is another person and is the indicator LED. You can see when I comes the plastic piece at front of gadget, the indicator LED start blinking slowly and the buzzer also beeps. Then I goes a plastic piece near about gadget, indicator LED start blinking faster, means the distance between you and another person is decreases. LED blinking speed increases and buzzer speed also increases. It's alert you to maintain distance between you and another person more than 1 meter. So I hope you like my idea. If you like this, please share, subscribe my channel.